In today's unboxing series, we're looking at the CoreCam Pro Spotlight camera. 100% wireless and secure to the core. Let's have a look at what's inside. Inside you get the following. The CoreCam Pro Spotlight camera. It supports 2K Quad HD quality video, motion lighting and siren to deter crime, two-way talk to greet guests or warn intruders, and colour night vision. Located at the bottom behind the rubber flap is the on-off switch, micro SD card slot with a 32GB pre-installed memory card, a micro USB charging port, a reset button, and below that a mounting hole. A USB charging cable. Use this to charge the CoreCam Pro. A USB power adapter, typically included with your smartphone, can be used. The mounting bracket to mount the CoreCam Pro to a flat vertical surface. You can mount it to a wooden or masonry surface. The bracket has an adjustable arm so you can angle the CoreCam Pro up or down. Screws and wall plugs are included. And finally, a quick start guide and theft deterrent stickers. The included quick start guide will have an overview of the CoreCam Pro in addition to mounting instructions and pairing. To view the CoreCam Pro on your mobile device, download the Swann Security app. Search for Swann Security at the iOS and Google App Stores. Thanks for watching.